In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the light streak maker action. So inside Photoshop, the first thing we want to do is open up a photo to work with. So I'll do that. Now we want to load up our actions panel. So go to the window menu, select actions. Now we want to select this top right hand corner icon and hit load actions. Find the light streak maker.atm file, double click, and there it is there. So there's one main step involved in creating this effect, and to do that we need to create a new layer and call it 1. Now this layer is the layer where you will brush your light streaks onto. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to grab a hard brush, so I'll hit B on the keyboard, bring out the brush tool, right click, select the hard brush, and if you use the left and right brackets you can adjust the size of the brush just like that. So next you want to pick what colours you want your light streaks to be. So my first colour, I'm just going to stick with blue, and then you start brushing in over your photo where you want the light streaks to appear. So I'll just go down here, through here, and I'll select another colour. Just go this colour. That. Okay, so that'll do. So with that done, we go back into the actions panel, twirl open the light streak maker folder, select the action and hit play. It'll take about 20 or so seconds to complete, so let's just hit play. Okay, a little less than 20 seconds, but so there's our result. So let's go ahead into the layer panel and see what we have. So the action's created a master folder here which has the effect inside. So let's go inside and start from the bottom. So the light streaks layer, this is the main layer that's been created. So you can move that one around, reposition that if you want. Layer above, change color. This is just a quick way, so if you double click on this icon here and drag this handle around, you can quickly change the color of the glow, just like that. The layer above, add glow. If you turn this one on, it adds a soft glow into the design. And what you can do here is just double click on this box here and you can change the color. So I'll select that blue, and if you select the mask you can move this glow around. So I'll move it up there, and you can also duplicate this layer to create another glow, and I'll move this one down here. So you can add as many glows if you want. You might want to change the second one to like a yellow, which we'll try that. And lower the opacity down a bit, and I'll move it on top of that patch of yellow here. Okay, the layer above, add more lines. This is one you just want to experiment with different photos. So if you just turn that one on, it basically creates duplicates of those lines and add some variation to it. So again, you can double click on the change color adjustment layer and move that around just like that. So that's all there is to it. I hope you have fun using it, and please contact me if you got any questions.